All right, it's time to talk about rolling some of these positions I have. Today is Thursday the 20th, so it's not quite Friday yet, but the market with Nvidia earnings went way up yesterday and it just crashed back down again today. A lot of these calls I have, let's look at these. I'll open each one. These are expiring tomorrow, and the price of them has just gone down because they're way out of the money. And I could wait till tomorrow. I collected, $1,100 for this one, but it's down to 18, so I could buy this back for 18 and roll it out, which I think I'll do. AVGO, my cost for this, let's go look at that. My cost is $356. This trade is at a $375 call, so I could probably roll this out and roll it down actually and make some money. So let's go roll, and I'm gonna go out by a week, see what we get. And instead of going to $375, I could collect $216 for that. It'd be safe. The delta is 15. But I could also, go down to like $360 here and collect $570. And with the market down, who knows if it's going to go back up and breach this. If it does, then the shares can be called away. And I made a little bit of money from $356 up to $360 from my cost. The delta here is 32. Let's see. I could still go up here. I might go up to $365, and that's a delta of 26. I could collect $428 for that. I think I'll do this. Gives me a little bit more appreciation from my cost if these are called away. So I'm going to buy these back for 17, collect $428, and I'll end up with $411. So I'll do that. Let's look at the next one. Hood, it's due to expire tomorrow. Collected 72 on this. It's down to 304. So I could roll this out, get an extra day. The more time you have to expiration helps you get more premium. So I could click roll on this. Current price 105.36. Average cost 132. Going out a week, going to 132. This thing is way down. Only going to collect $26. So let me go out 29 days. If I go up to 130, 135, I can get 154 for that. And this delta is not very likely. 15% chance that this is going to go all the way up to 135. But you never know. I can hold on to these shares and just keep them and keep making a little bit of premium. So that's fine. Make some premium while I'm waiting for the stock price to go back up to my cost. So I'm going to click continue here. I'm going to buy these back for 6, collect 159, and it's not going to expire for 29 days. This next one is Nvidia. This also expires tomorrow. I collected 268 for this. My cost is 210. This is right around my cost. If I look at my cost here, 210.29. So I don't want to go below that, but I could buy this back for $2. Let's go roll. See what we get if we go out by a week and go up to 210. Not a lot of premium there, so let's go out another week, 15 days, 210. I could collect 58. There's 2 of these. Let me go out a little farther. Let's go out 29 days, I guess. If things change, I can always, close these out and roll. And go up to my 220 here, the cost. See if it's worth my while. 175 times 2, the delta is 14 or almost 15. So it's pretty safe. And again, while I'm waiting for the market to come back up for these, I can make just a little bit of premium, and that's okay. I'm going to buy these back for $2 each, collect 173 each. So that's going to be a total credit of 344. I'll put those in my sheet. These 3 lines, AVGO, Hood, Nvidia, and what I collected, what I paid back for these. Some of these here, when I roll them, I put the cost to roll here. This AVGO one was from last month, so I put the cost, instead of putting it here, I put the cost here for this month because it kind of closed out last month. So, but that puts me up. Let's see, today I made $914 just doing these rolls. Puts my account up 3,156 for the month so far. Next week is a short week with Thanksgiving. Won't be too many trades I can do to raise this up, but I'll take $3,100 extra per month on top of my job right now and get to that $10,000 per month slow and steady. Greek to you, and you don't understand the terms, you can join my free Discord. I'll put a link in the description. We go over here. There's a bunch of people in here that are like-minded traders. I go over my trades, and they share their trades, and everybody's sharing ideas. And with this free Discord, you also get access to my free options beginner course, and that'll teach you everything you need to know about selling options and getting started as an options trader. So join the free Discord, and we'll see you in there. You can ask any questions and things like that. And that's it. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.